Hi viewers, in this video today I tell you about LinkedIn, how to make money from LinkedIn, how to create account on LinkedIn, how what you are many questions in your minds. Do you experience anything you would you not mind? LinkedIn, type search engine Google like LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Press enter. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an American business and employment oriented online service that operates website and mobile apps. Launching on May 5, 2003, the platform is mainly used for professional networking and allows job seekers to post their CVs and employees to post jobs. CEO Ryan Roslansky founded 2002, Mountain View, California, United States, headquartered Sunnyvale, California, United States. Subsidiaries LinkedIn Learning, Giant Inc., Consistent Numbers, parent organization Microsoft Corporations, founder Reid Hoffman, Konstantin Gorecht, Jane Locke Valent, Alan Bellew, Eric Lai. What is LinkedIn? Join LinkedIn now. It's free. Profile photo, not you remove photo, first name, last name, email, password, 6 or more characters by clicking agree and join. Sign to LinkedIn to keep in touch with people you now shares. Join LinkedIn now, it's free. Join LinkedIn now, it's free. Profile photo, not you remove. Million of jobs and people hiring sales navigators. 64% of job seekers get hired through a referral. Use LinkedIn. Sales Navigator, sign into Sales Navigator. You can use the same email. 750 million plus members manage your professional identity, build and engage with your professional networks, access knowledge, insights, and opportunities.